Hello everyone, welcome back to the Top Cars TV. Today we are diving into one of the most aggressive and talked about trucks in the performance pickup world, the 2026 Ram TRX 3000, a machine that blends raw power, bold styling, and modern tech into a package that's built to dominate both on and off the road. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ram TRX 3000 looks like it means business from every single angle, featuring a massively sculpted hood with functional air intakes, an even wider stance than previous models, and an updated LED lighting signature that gives it a futuristic yet intimidating presence. The aggressive grille design paired with chunky all-terrain tires and flared fenders makes it clear that this isn't just a truck for daily errands, but a purpose-built beast ready for extreme conditions. And small details like the redesigned tailgate, aerodynamic enhancements, and new color options further elevate its road presence. Moving on to performance, this is where the TRX 3000 truly earns its reputation. Expected to pack a monstrous upgraded twin-turbocharged V8 or possibly a hybrid-assisted powertrain delivering well over 700 horsepower, making it one of the fastest pickup trucks ever built. Acceleration is brutal for a vehicle of this size, with 0 to 100 km per hour times rivaling sports cars, while the advanced 4x4 system, high-performance suspension, and reinforced chassis ensure that whether you're blasting through desert dunes or tackling rocky trails, the truck remains composed, responsive, and incredibly capable. Now talking about the unique selling points, what really sets the TRX 3000 apart is its ability to combine extreme off-road capability with luxury-level comfort, offering features like adaptive suspension systems, multiple terrain modes, launch control for off-road racing, and a highly refined interior packed with premium materials. It's not just a truck, it's an experience, designed for enthusiasts who want both adrenaline and everyday usability, and the integration of cutting-edge infotainment and driver-focused cockpit design makes it feel more like a high-end SUV than a traditional pickup. When it comes to safety features, the 2026 model takes a big step forward by incorporating advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that's particularly useful for off-road navigation. On top of that, the truck is built with a high-strength steel frame and multiple airbags, ensuring that even with all its performance capabilities, safety remains a top priority, and new AI-driven safety tech is expected to further enhance driver awareness and accident prevention. Talking about the price, the 2026 Ram TRX 3000 is expected to come in at a premium, likely starting somewhere around the high-end performance truck segment, potentially crossing the $100,000 mark depending on trims and optional packages. While that may sound steep, it reflects the level of engineering, performance, and luxury packed into this vehicle, making it more of a niche product aimed at enthusiasts and collectors rather than the average buyer. Finally, wrapping up with the conclusion, the 2026 Ram TRX 3000 stands as a bold statement in the pickup truck world, pushing boundaries in terms of power, design, and technology. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how thrilling that journey can be, and if you're someone who values performance, presence, and capability all in one package, this truck might just be the ultimate choice. But for those looking for practicality and fuel efficiency, it might feel like overkill, making it a perfect example of a vehicle built for passion rather than necessity.